Hello guys, welcome to another video. Um, After I install Windows on this computer, it doesn't recognize the wireless card, nothing. So let me check. Okay, so we go to search here, and you type. It's right here. This is the device manager. We need to go to device manager, and right here I can see that is missing the drivers for the wireless card. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to fix this all of this right now. So, but we need internet. So we need this cable, network cable. We're gonna install one in the back of this computer, right here, right there, and the other end to the router. So it's right here. I'm gonna do it this one. Okay, right there, the light is green. Okay, so now the internet is working. Okay, so now we need to go to device manager again. Device manager here. And then from here we need to click right here, right click with the mouse and then update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Windows was enabled. Update, install. Okay, so it's downloading. Okay, so after I connect the network cable in the back and connect it to the router, it automatically is been downloading the drivers for all of these that were missing. So now it's telling me to reboot the system. So you see there is no marks anymore. So let me reboot it, and after that it should connect to wireless. So let me show you. Restart. Okay, let's restart. And I'm gonna disconnect this cable. Okay. Okay. So now let's see if the wireless is available. Let's go here. And then settings. And then from here we go network, internet, Wi-Fi. Right there is Wi-Fi now. Show available network, and this is my connect automatically. So I need the key. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I type my password. Okay, so it's connected now. Okay. So it's working, okay? Okay, thank you so much for watching. So that's the way how you fix the drivers of wireless car and any drivers that your computer need. After you install Windows and it doesn't recognize the wireless car or another devices. So this is how you install the drivers. Just connect the network cable in the back of the PC, then the other end to the router, and then just go to device manager and try to update driver, and it will download it by itself. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe. I'm trying to fix whatever I can. Go Bears.